Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the activity calendar in Pipedrive in just a few minutes. We'll keep this quick and practical so you can immediately find what you need and stay organized. Let's jump right in. First, look at the main navigation on the left-hand side of your Pipedrive workspace. Click on Activities. This section is the hub for your calls, meetings, follow-ups, and any to-dos you've scheduled. Opening Activities keeps you focused on your daily tasks instead of digging through deals or contacts. Once you're inside Activities, go to the top left and switch to the Calendar view. As soon as you do that, the screen changes from a simple list into a time-based layout that's much easier to scan at a glance. In this view, your activities are grouped into columns for each day of the week and arranged in rows that represent the hours of the day. Think of it like a grid: days across the top, hours down the side. This layout helps you see not just what you have to do, but exactly when you're doing it. That makes it much easier to spot scheduling conflicts and plan a realistic workload. If you need to look beyond the current week, go to the top right of the calendar. There, you can use the arrows to move backward or forward through weeks, or click on the calendar control to jump to a specific date. This is especially helpful when you're preparing for upcoming meetings, planning travel days, or checking for open time slots for new appointments. To narrow your focus, use the Filter drop-down in the top right corner. Filters allow you to display only what's relevant. For example, a specific activity type, a particular owner, or a status like overdue or completed. If you work in a team or manage different categories of tasks, filters help reduce clutter and make your calendar easier to read and act on. And that's it. All you need to do is click Activities on the left, switch to Calendar View at the top, use the weekly grid to plan your schedule, navigate between weeks from the top right, and refine your view using filters. With these basics, you can confidently plan your day, keep commitments visible, and stay ahead of upcoming tasks without feeling overwhelmed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.